Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study history one day before an exam. First, quickly scan your syllabus to identify the most crucial topics. Don't try to reread everything. Instead, focus on chapter summaries and any notes you've already made. Understanding the main events and their connections is far more effective than memorizing isolated facts. This approach helps you grasp the big picture efficiently. Next, let's talk about smart review methods. Flashcards are excellent for quick recall of key terms and dates. Try to create just a few for each major section. Also, practice outlining answers to possible essay questions. You don't need to write full essays, but structuring your thoughts helps. Visual aids like mind maps can also link ideas, making complex information easier to remember. Managing your time effectively is crucial. Divide your study day into focused blocks, perhaps 45 minutes per major topic. Remember to take short breaks, maybe 5 minutes every half hour, to prevent burnout. A quiet study space is essential to maintain concentration. Staying hydrated and having a clear mind will significantly boost your retention and overall performance. Finally, let's prepare for exam day itself. A good night's sleep, ideally 7 to 8 hours, is non-negotiable for optimal brain function. Start your day with a nutritious breakfast to keep your energy steady. Arriving at the exam hall a bit early allows you to settle in and feel calm, ready to tackle those history questions with confidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.